Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Wednesday, June 24th. Well, we are continuing with the chopping of price action here. We are really going nowhere. We have been up, I believe, 5 out of the 6 days, but with just continuous chop. Gap up, one day we rally, and then we sell off. Same thing or vice versa. I showed you a 10-minute chart a while ago. I'll show this to you again. You could just see here one move up, and then that's pretty much it, and then you get a little bit of a pullback, move down. You could see that there's usually one move and then stagnated, right? Move and then a big push lower here, but you could see this is just horrible, horrible price action. One move and sideways. So not good for the day trader. For the scalper, it's fantastic, but nonetheless, this price action that we've been having for the last 4 months, you could see here, actually since pretty much the end of February, all the way back, you could see this is just horrendous price action. Let me get rid of this. You can see this large ascending triangle that we've been in, and now into the apex. I believe we are ready to vacate the area here, meaning either price is going to break up and or down. Now, not much great information that we can really capitalize on, but I've seen these patterns many times. Now, this is an ascending triangle. It's very bullish, and it usually breaks to the upside. And you take the mouth of the triangle and you apply it to the top, and there is your area. Now, the problem here is that we've tried many times, and we've just couldn't break out. And I've seen when price would go into the ES area of 2100, we see selling programs come in, hitting the tape, and putting pressure on equities and rolling back down to its normal area of the trading day. I do suspect that we should see some weakness here. I'm looking for weakness in the next few days, whether it be Greece or the GDP number that's coming out at 8:30 this morning. I'm looking for some weakness, and then I'm looking for some strength again. And then I'm looking for a market top sometime in in July. So I'm looking for a few days of weakness. Then we have that seasonal strength that we're looking for right around the end of June to like the middle of July, and then that would be a short-term market top. And then what I'm looking for is some choppiness to grinding higher, and then September we really get a really good deep sell-off sometime in September, possibly October. So that's what I'm really looking for. So some little weakness for the next few days. We rally into some strength. For 2 weeks or so into July, and right around maybe the first, second, third week of July, we top. We have put in a short-term top, sell off again, and then rally back. Where in September I look for a deeper correction. That's going to be the map of the next several weeks. Okay. Now, so I'm still looking for some weakness. Now, whether the GDP number is great and they rally them, I'm still thinking they're going to sell them in the next couple of days, whether it be today or tomorrow. So just keep an eye on that, all right? I'm watching price action, and the price action is not pretty. It does not look good. It does not look like there's a lot of conviction behind this little move here. So as you can see here, we have a lot of dojis, a lot of indecision. So there's bulls and bears are definitely fighting for its position. IWM, this is the biggest canary in the coal mine, I should say. The Russell, it looks like it has no way, there's no reason that this thing is going to top, and this is what's been helping the equity markets. Okay, so we have the Russell secondary leader doing fantastic, and here's the daily chart. You can see just breaking out of this consolidation and continually just going higher, where here you have the transports just really just breaking down here. We did hold this pivotal area here, this pivotal area of support of 149.38. We are below the 50, below the 200, and this interim a horizontal area of resistance, which coincides nicely with the 200. That's going to be a big area to break. Now, if the transport starts to break down yet again, as you know, this is going to be the area I'm looking for. And then I think that the markets are tired as it is, and then we're going to probably sell off for, like I said, at least a few days. So keep an eye on the Russell. Russell's going to be the big deciding factor here, guys. Diamonds, as you can see, picked up a little bit of momentum here, but as you can see, we're going nowhere. We're still stuck in this range. We've gone nowhere other than from the interim low here to its support area. So we've done that many times in the last several months. Lastly is the Qs. Technology holding up really well, but again, this large ascending triangle we really haven't done much of anything. But we are getting into the apex of this triangle, so I'd be looking for either breakout or breakdown. And really the safest way to do this is wait for the price to break out and confirm on a closing basis, and we'll break down and then see where that goes from there. That's really going to be your best bet. Okay, so in the today, in the interim for today, tomorrow, again, looking for some weakness, maybe going into next week, and then a short rally for a week or two, and then I see another market top somewhere in July, and then we get that choppiness going into August, September, where the markets just drift higher, and then I see some sort of a correction for September, October. Again, I would not count out, a blow-off top, meaning that the markets rally with low volume and they just rip to the upside. Do not count that out. And remember, do not short the market at this time. We're not ready for it yet. Let's let price decide where this market wants to go. We've gone nowhere this whole all of January, this whole 5 months. Excuse me. I'm saying January, February, March, April, May, and June. The end of June. So it's been 5 months. It's going on. Excuse me, 6 months. We haven't gone anywhere. Okay. We're basically flat to slightly down on some of the indexes. So this tells me that markets are really kind of volleying for what direction it wants to go. And again, I'm looking for more downside than I'm looking for upside in the next few days. Okay? Hope that helps, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.